sound is the effect, and me like kicking the floor, that's the cause, right? Huh? And basically, if an atheist asks me who is God, or not who created God, obviously I'm gonna tell them no one created God because no one can be higher than God, right? And he's gonna ask who created the world, and obviously we're gonna say God, right? But he's gonna say how, and we're gonna say the cause.
Random that caused everything that you do in the universe is today. What caused the Big Bang? You know how everything has a cause and effect? What causes the Big Bang? Alright? Now it can't just happen out of nowhere. So what caused it? You tell me what caused it. You. Yeah, what caused it?
Near. No.
Cause and effect. Cause and effect has two parts. One, cause, and second, effect. Now what is a cause? Cause can be anything that causes an effect. Whoa. Can you believe that? Now, an example of a cause. Tell me. You.
Like, cause and effect is something to be used for the to be like used for something, for example, to be like confidence.
Just okay.
Okay.
Keep it
Keep going.
So cause and effect can be also used for like proving the existence of God. So for example, I jumped. Okay? I jumped is the cause. Now the concrete made a sound. Now that sound is the effect. So if an
effect, the cause could be anything that leads up to an effect. For example, like what Farhan said, if you stomp your floor, that's the cause. And if you like the sound,
a cause is an effect. So a cause is the meaning of effect. So for example, if I stomp my feet, that's the cause of effect. And effect is that it made a sound. So if someone asks me that who created God, and I would say,
wait, someone go there. It's a blue shoe. There's blue shoe outside. Artists go there. Artists go there. Here go. Welcome to the. Hey there. Hello. Hey there. Yeah. I can hear you.